The new Google Pomelli update is a game changer. Google just released a tool that builds your entire brand in minutes. Not just a logo, not just colors, we're talking brand book, website, social posts, everything. And it's free. Better yet, you can use it for the AI Profit Boardroom right now. Let me show you exactly how. Google just dropped a free tool that's going to change how fast you launch brands. 2 weeks ago, building a brand meant hiring a designer, dropping 2 to 5 grand, waiting 3 weeks. Today, you can do it in 1 hour for free. Google's brand agent is in Google Labs right now, and it actually works. Here's what the old version did. You'd paste a website, Google scanned it, pulled the colors, grabbed the fonts, figured out your tone, then generated social posts. Millions used it. But it had one problem. You needed a website first. The new version, completely different. You don't need anything. Just talk to the agent. You describe your business, upload a few photos. The agent builds your entire brand identity. Three things happen. First, it creates a brand book with all your colors, fonts, logo rules, and tone of voice. That's your blueprint for everything. Second, it generates a full working website, not a mock-up, an actual site you can publish with copy, with images, ready to go. Third, it creates social posts and ads that match your brand. Everything looks like it came from the same place. Here's a real example. Say you're launching an AI automation course for the AI Profit Boardroom. You go into Brand Agent and say, I teach entrepreneurs how to use AI to automate their business and save time. Create a professional, friendly brand that feels like a real community. You upload some photos. The agent runs. In minutes, you get a color palette, typography, homepage, headline options, logo guidance, and tone of voice snippets. Then you click one button and it builds a website. Copy, images, layout, all matched. You review it, maybe tweak a sentence, maybe swap a photo. Done. 1 hour. No designer. That's the game changer. Why this matters. Right now, building a brand is expensive and slow. This tool tears down that barrier. You can build credibly professional brands in an afternoon, which means you launch faster, test faster, iterate faster. In business, speed wins. You might be thinking AI brands all look the same. They don't. The tool isn't using templates. It's building unique identity based on your input, your brand DNA. So your AI automation course looks completely different than someone's fitness app because the tool understood you. Another concern, free tools get shut down. This debuted at Google I/O, their biggest conference. It's not experimental, it's main stage. Millions use it. Google doesn't kill tools that many people depend on. Another concern, I'm not technical. It's a chat. You type. If you can text a friend, you can use this. Here's the workflow. Step 1, go to Google Labs, open Brand Agent, sign in, 2 minutes. Step 2, either paste your existing website or chat with the agent about your brand. Step 3, review the suggested colors, fonts, tone. Ask for adjustments if needed. Step 4, download the brand book. This is your North Star. Everything comes from this. Step 5, ask the agent to build a website. Tell it what pages. It fills copy, adds images, creates layouts, review and publish. Step 6, generate social posts and ads that match your brand. Total time, 1 to 2 hours depending on tweaks. Here's the strategy. Most people operate slow. Hire people, wait, make decisions slowly. But the future belongs to people who move fast. The person who tests 5 brand versions in a day crushes the person who waits 3 weeks for a designer. Speed is the advantage. So here's my advice. Get good at this now. Keep a prompt library. Write down what works. Try different photos, different images. Change how the tool interprets your brand. A/B your copy. Let the tool generate 2 versions. See what performs better. Use the brand book for everything. Ads, posts, email headers, LinkedIn banner. Make it all match. When people see consistency, they trust you more. AI tools like this are changing everything. If you want to master this, if you want to use AI to automate your business, build your brand and scale faster, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We teach you exactly how to use Google Brand Agent, Claude, ChatGPT, and everything else to save time and automate your entire workflow. Prompts, templates, exact workflows. Plus, you're in a community with other entrepreneurs doing the same thing. Link in the description. Real talk. This tool isn't perfect. Sometimes you need edits, sometimes copy needs tweaking. It's a first draft tool, a really good one, but you still need to refine, and that's okay. A 90% solution today beats a perfect solution next month. Ship it, get feedback, iterate. Let me give you real use cases. Launching a course, build brand identity, create landing page, launch with professional brand, no designer. Refreshing the AI Profit Boardroom, paste your site, ask the agent to evolve it, make it feel more premium, more exclusive. Selling digital products with amateur photos, build professional visual identity, use guidelines to make everything consistent, need social content, generate a week of posts, all matching, all ready to schedule, quick limitations. This tool is experimental. You'll sometimes need reruns or edits. It's a strong first draft. Use it as your starting point. Websites are functional but basic. Google is improving this fast. Video templates coming. More customization, integration with sheets, docs, analytics. What exists today is good. What exists in 6 months will be mind-blowing. That's why learn now. While others sleep on it, you're 3 versions ahead. The bottom line, brand building used to be expensive and slow. Google changed that. Now you build professional brands in one afternoon for free. You use them immediately to launch courses, build pages, create content. Go try Google Brand Agent right now. Spend 30 minutes, build one brand, comment what you created, tell me how it went. If you want the full process, all the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this, join the AI Success Lab. It's free. 67,000 members crushing it with AI. You'll get all video notes, you'll get our prompt library, everything. Links in comments and description. Go try the tool, comment below, join the community. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.